For those of you who know, recently we did the brakes on the XC90, like the discs and calipers and such, which meant, with my automotive passion, it was a great opportunity to use one of the brake discs as a bedroom ornament, because why not? I mean, why not? I'll wait. This did take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but I think it was well worth it. So we are starting with a 400 grit sandpaper, just sanding down all of the rust from the rain that had gathered days before. And the reason why I'm wearing a face mask is because inhaling rust filings isn't nice, to put it like that way. You guys can already see how much progress we've made with the 400 grit sandpaper. I mean, we made a lot of progress, but we still have a lot to go. So let's keep on kicking, guys. See you in a bit.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
We already are almost done the front portion of the disc, and we still have a bit to go. Let's see how this ends up. Great, so the front part of the disc is done. Now onto the back. I mean, the front went great, so let's see what the back end holds for us. Never mind, that sounds wrong. Please don't hurt me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, that was a bad one. I'm sorry, please don't hurt me. Good. So, sanding the rear portion of the brake disc. Also means you have to do the hub, which is a bit difficult, where the screws are and where like spacings should go. Let's see how this goes. Right, onto a sheet of 360 grit sandpaper, and continuing, I guess. After I made myself some poached eggs and enjoyed the sunset, I got back to business. Now I'm using a 220 grit sandpaper and just going over the slightly rough edge and just cleaning it up a bit more into its best state it could be in. I mean, he'll still use brake disc at the end of the day, but by the time I got to this leg, it was about 7:30, 8 o'clock at night, and I finished about 8:35, so before climbing into bed and being fed up with life at 10, I mean, I need to do this, and I've wanted to, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. No, it's not done yet, but I hope you enjoyed. If my content quality is not up to standard or as good as it's previously been, it's because my HP laptop is, well, tried itself. Anything about what to do with that, and what I'm editing on is a laptop for school, or I'm going to be using for school, so I can't let this editing software handicap and slow this PC down for school, because then teachers will complain, and all I want them to do is shut up about complaining and look on the bright side of life for once. And that's looking into my personal problems and handicap. But until I get a gaming computer, it's gonna be like this. But getting a gaming computer isn't too far away. It's definitely gonna happen sometime in the very near future. I hope you guys understand why, and take it easy, guys. Okay, so we are on the last leg of this, and I'm now just cleaning up like the little things that I otherwise couldn't get to. But we are very close to wrapping up this video, so without further ado, if you guys like this comment, feel free to subscribe. If you're new around here, hello, go follow me on Instagram, links in the description to both of those, and I hope you guys take care and stay safe, and I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video. Peace.